So Wick and I adjusted our parking brake cables after we finished bleeding brakes. We did good. It felt good. And then we're like, what the fuck? Why isn't this coming back? Well, this side. Demonstrate the wonky, Wick.
Whoa, up.
What, did you just pop it back into place?
I think the pad was, the shoe was
Cocked.
See? Look. See, not wonky. I just watched this shoe go donk.
Oh, well, there's a fucking hole.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
And that pin goes in there. But yeah, the other side was all... This side was all goofy. That side was fine.
Yeah. But it just snapped back.
I kind of want to look...
I wonder if this shoe was catching on this shoulder of this boss right here.
I'm trying to shoot it from... Look at that overhead cam. I wonder if that's either going to be really good or I'm going to completely miss the subject.
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck it.
Either
Explain
way.
it anyway. And people can imagine.
Well, it's certainly not loose anymore.
See, that's supposed to go in there, and it wasn't. See how there's a hole and a pin? And I'm pretty sure I'm probably not catching any of this, but and this is a shitty video, but
It looks like it's upside down.
or it popped out.
And the pin just dropped down?
Yeah, like we pulled so hard, it was like, yeah, fuck you guys, I ain't going anymore.
Yeah, it's possible that happened. Where's my headlight?
Ah, shit, Wick's getting the headlight. Okay, there. I'm pretty sure the rest of this video was horrid before this. But right there, the pin goes in the chingus. And now Wick's got his headlight to blind us all.
Yeah, let's do it like this. I don't know. I think the only thing that holds it is the spring that's holding the shoes together.
Yeah, and if you overextend it, it just goes, bye. It's like, emergency brake. Yeah, enjoy your fucking emergency. Let me know how that ends up.
You get a better view of it there now.
Oh, look at you. Art director here. Look. Yeah, pin goes in hole. Pin was over here when we took this apart right now, and it was so loose you could have called it... I'm going to use a term I haven't used in a while. It was Birdie's mom. That's an old one. I'll tell you the story on that one.
It doesn't look right. Still even. I mean, it's
sloppy.
tighter, but it's just... doesn't seem like it should have that much motion.
I don't understand. Motion of the ocean? Like it feels
Let me
like...
go try pulling the cable and see if you see anything.
As long as it's the cable you're pulling on. Nothing? Nothing?
Haven't got there yet.
No, I was making an obscene joke. Oh, look at that's how that works. Look at that. That's cool. All right, pop it back. Oh, now it fucking stuck again. There you go. Bring it back. Let it go. Ah, it's fucking...
Something ain't right.
That boy ain't right. Damn it. We're not...
What sucks about it, too, is if we got to access that bad boy, I'm going to have to pull the axle out.
Yes and no. There are ways around that. We'll figure it out.
I mean, it's not the end of the world. We just got to get more fluid.
That's okay. We can put better fluid in it next time.
The better fluid than the fluid they said that they sent.
Yeah. There's always better fluid than the fluid they send. This is not the fluid you were looking for. Oh, God, this video is going on.